Okay everybody, I'm here in my 2014 Camaro SS. This car has been modified with a Texas Speed Company Stage 2 camshaft. There's BBK headers. The heads were custom ported by TSP. There are Moroso lifters, Hardened pushrods, a Spectre intake, which is a cold air intake system. The exhaust is a Pypes Exhaust system, which has no muffler, just a resonator. And I've had some requests to hear this car from the inside. I have videos of it at Lope, and I have videos of some fix-it tips that I have that you may be interested in if you're a Camaro owner or a Camaro enjoyer. But here's a clip from inside the car. In just a minute here, I'll turn around the corner here and let you hear it when it gets opened up. This Texas Speed Cam really likes to sing around 3,000 RPM. Underneath, it's pretty similar to the stock camshaft, but once you hit 3,000, you can feel a dramatic difference in power. So here you go. If you like this or if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out with doing this kind of thing. But I'll be quiet here and let you listen to the car as requested. So there you go, there's the vehicle at launch. I think it sounds really good. I enjoy that sound more than maybe anything else. I'll come to a stop up here. I'll let you listen to the Lope outside of the vehicle. And you know, if there's questions on your build or if you have ideas and want to run by me, I've done a lot with this car. I tore the motor all apart last summer and rebuilt it. And it's become what you see here before you. So if you're a Camaro person, I'd love to learn more about your ideas and tell you about mine. But here we go. Let me hop out of the car, let you listen to the Lope. Compliments on that in parking lots and at stoplights, and I think you'd really enjoy this type of thing if you have a Camaro, and you could save a lot of money if you do it yourself. So if you have questions or ideas, let me know what you think, and otherwise please like and subscribe. It really helps me out with trying to do this and make more of these kinds of videos for you. And you know, check out my channel. There are videos on Nissan Titans, Chevrolet Cruze diesels, the Cadillac SRX. When I find a fix that makes sense for me, I try to share it with others. So give it a look, like and subscribe, and thank you everyone.